You want a picture? You want a picture? Okay. We finally arrived in Mystery Island. This is the second attempt at getting here, and we finally got here. The first time it was cold and rainy. Today it's about 72. It's probably one of the most beautiful stops so far. What do you think?
It's gorgeous.
We've arrived at the airport. Doesn't look like there's going to be much air traffic today. Big grass strip. No airplanes. Right off the beach, you can catch a snorkeling tour. Just wave them down, tell them you want to go. Well, I'm not sure why people do this sort of stuff. I guess trash cans are hard to come by. Don't leave this stuff on the beach. That rock's moving. Little crab doesn't want to go running while I'm filming him. There he goes. Water's pretty calm, very blue, crystal clear. Can't wait to get in there later. Have you felt the water?
Yes.
And how is it?
It's cold.
You said it was warm.
So that way you get in.
I'm gonna go give it a shot and see how my little tender feet work. Not too bad. We've come along the walking path and I'm not sure what we found. Could be a massage hut. Could be Jimmy Hoffa. Could be a shithole. Dang.
You need to use the restroom.
Oh, we've come across a better facility. This seems more to my liking. There's all these little huts for selling. Nobody's selling anything here today. We've made it to the end of the runway. I wonder if Pilot Jeff could give us a greaser landing on this one. Hope there's nobody in there. It's going to be an awkward experience. Good news, we're empty. Local market, you can buy dresses, and little trinkets and knickknacks. All the dresses in every color you'd never needed.
Moving. Yes, next.
Different smile, different position. Up, down, left,
I've never seen somebody so happy to be eaten before. Did we discover the mystery?
It's beautiful. Glad we came.
We don't know.
I don't know. What's the mystery?